Hello people, how are you all? I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my channel Diksha Tales. My name is Diksha Rajput and today's video about a subtle and quick evening makeup, and here I will tell you all the steps for creating this look, like from skincare to final look. And so without further ado, let's get started. So guys, as you can see that my skin is without makeup right now. I just washed my face with this face wash, and I already mentioned this face wash in my earlier video, so you can check this out. Okay, so first of all I will apply sunscreen, this one. Okay, so I will take this much amount and smoothly I will rub it. Perfect. All these skincare I always do whenever I do makeup. This is must, and I suggest you also, like if you are doing makeup for daily routine or heavy makeup, whatever you are doing, but please do skincare for your skin because it's very important for your skin. So okay, this was a little tip for you guys. Okay, so after that I will use this vitamin C serum from Garnier. This is for my lip care routine. Okay, after that I will apply this Garnier cream because I use it on daily basis. So yes, I do apply before my makeup, and if you want to apply, so you can, otherwise you can skip this step. So I'll take this much, not very much, very. Okay, so you can see my face is glowing after skincare. So this is the difference of skincare, you can see. Okay, now I'll start my base and all. So yeah, for primer I will use this NY primer. And for base I'm using Lakme Absolute 3D foundation. Okay, so after foundation I will apply concealer. And same concealer I will apply on my eyelids. Now I will do my brows. Okay, so for eyebrows I have hack, like I have a nude eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. So I will pick color from this palette only for my eyebrows, like this one. So here I am not using uh, any eyebrow color or eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder. So wait, I think for eye makeup I should zoom. For defining my brows more, I know my brows looking so good, but still I want to some enhance my eyebrows. So for that I will do this. You can see the difference. Okay, so now I will do my eyeshadow. Okay, so let's start. So for this makeup I want to do smoky eyes. Yeah, so yes, smoky eyes I will do with my kajal. Okay, so my eyeshadow done. Okay, for eyeshadow, whatever color we apply on our eyelid, we have to apply on our lower eyelashes or waterline, because if you don't apply the same color on your eyelashes or waterline, so it will look something missing in your eyes, and also it will make your eyes bigger. So yes, apply this blue iconic kajal from Lakme on my waterline. Only on half of. After this, I will apply this mascara from Colossal Maybelline. I like Maybelline's product. Now I will do contour. Contour. I have like this sugar palette, and like highlighter, blush, and contour. So all are in powder form. So I will apply contour with my finger only. It is very light in shade. Okay, after contouring, I will apply blush. My favorite thing. Just dab it. And now, last but not least, my highlighter. Highlighter I will apply with my finger. I love it. Okay guys, so my makeup is almost done. The only thing is left is my lipstick. So earlier I was thinking to apply red lipstick with this look, but as you can see that my eyes are so loud, and also my blush. So for heavy eyes, red color looks so not so good according to me. If you want to apply red color with this look, so you can, but I will apply some nude color or some brownish color. I mean, I will apply uh, either this or this. So okay, so I will go with this color. The shade is 50 Voyager lip color from Maybelline, and this lipstick is so good. It smells so good, and it's long lasting, like it will stay on your lips for 24 hours. Yeah, so now I will apply this lip color. Wait, feeling. Fix it. Okay, so now I will use makeup fixer from Maybelline.